See here, shut up. To identify the type of motion, we are having different types of motions, right? Uniform motion, or you are seeing that the motion is accelerated, or the motion is retarded. Now we can take an example. See, when the coin is tossed, if it is falling in your hands, say like this, if I toss the coin and it is falling in your hands, then the body is said to be uniform motion. That is, suppose what I say is, so a moving train, a moving train, a moving train. If you see, the coin is fallen in your hands, then it is having uniform motion. Now the same thing, if the coin, if you toss and if it is fallen behind you, then you can say that acceleration. That is, if you the moving train, if you see, the coin is fallen behind you, then the motion is accelerated. The motion is accelerated. Now we have finished what is the uniform motion, acceleration. Now we are coming to retardation. Now this is the third case which I am going to tell you. Now in a retardation, when can you see the retardation in a moving train? In retardation in a moving train, in moving train, if you see the coin, which is fallen in front of, like this, not in the hands, but it fallen in front. Then you say, if in moving train, if you see the coin is fallen in front of you, then it is retardation. The motion then the motion is retardation. So it's as simple as that. So these are the you can easily identify such a concept by just having a simple concepts in your mind. When can you say that is the body's uniform motion, acceleration and retardation? They give you the different types. They take a balloon which when you are moving in a car, when it is moving backwards, you can say then it is acceleration. When it is fallen in front of you, that is a retardation. And just if it is fallen in your hand also, you say it is the motion of the car is uniform. Same examples, but they take a different risk. You can apply it. Thank you.